Let there be light. And there is light. Finally, we bring you part 2 of the Ackland Lightbox Frame Kit. And this is it. This is a finished 4x8. It's pretty awesome. I don't mind saying so. Check that out. Booyah! Alright, so let me show you. Last time we came to you, can you see me okay? Last time we came to you, let me turn this light on. Okay, last time we came to you, we showed you this outer perimeter, and we showed you that it was a kit. It came in this little tiny crate down here, and the kit came and take out all the pieces, give it a few minutes, put it together, and you got this light kit. We didn't have it all the way put together. We thought we'd do that in the next video. That's today. So let me show you. By the way, HCI LED, that's the company we partnered up with to make these kits. They're experts in the very best, latest and greatest LED lighting, and that's what's inside here. This is a kit. Again, it came in this box. It took about an hour, roughly an hour to put together. One main person and a helper, and it was done. So here you go. I'm going to show you. First thing we do, we'll look at the inside of this thing. I'm going to take out the, sorry, can't get the thing on there. I'm going to take out, I need glasses. Alright, that comes off. This one comes off. Take off the Ackland Media Frame. Peel back with the flex face, backlit vinyl, and check out the guts. Love this thing. Alright. Homemade kit. Don't have to fabricate a big old sign and fabricate the sides and the backing anymore. It comes to you ready to assemble. We have 5 different sizes. This happens to be the second largest size, which is a 4x8. We also have a 5x10 on down to like a 2x3 and other sizes in between. What you get when you order one of these is all the pieces, the extrusions that bolt together and screw together to make the box. You get the lighting, just the right number of lights, and every one of these little modules is peel and stick. Self-adhesive, you just peel off the back. It comes with a diagram so you know the pattern. The only thing you have to come up with yourself that's not part of the kit is the backing. We suggest aluminum, and just a high gloss white aluminum you can buy from any sign supply place. Pop it in there, and then you make your pattern of lights. It'll take so many lights, and each certain quantity goes to a power supply. I don't know if you can see the power supply from where you are, Jeff. Can you? This is a power supply. A power supply is good for, I think it's about 60 modules, you'll see, and if it's a bigger sign than that, then it'll have more than one power supply. Simple wiring system. There's wire nuts here that come with it. Like I said, you'll get a diagram with it, so it's easy. And this power supply then goes to, you have 2 choices. You can hardwire it, or you can do what we did. Come on over here, grab a cord. We just put a switch on it, and we ran the cord to a regular 110 volt outlet, just like plugging in your toaster. Easy. Or you can hardwire it so nobody can unplug it. We're actually even working on a solar panel, so you don't even have to plug it in. It'll just come on for a few hours every night. But this right now, state of the art. As far as I know, there's no other kits out there that is an all custom fabrication, a major construction project. This, you can order it, receive it, unpack it, and put it together quick. I mean, probably a couple hours it's assembled, another couple hours it's installed. Done. Good profit. We have great pricing and fast turnaround. You've got to get these, add them to your repertoire. Alright, the last thing I want to tell you before we go is what makes this so unique. I mean, the lighting, and we're all about ease and simplicity. When this comes in a crate, it's basically 4 sections. 2 sides, top and bottom. You supply the backing, you'll have a bag of lights, and of course you'll have the front that gets printed on there, but very few pieces, they bolt together. But the best part, I think the best part of it is the ease of changing them. When it comes, this Ackland frame is already mounted to the sidewalls, the aluminum sidewalls. So you just bolt it together up in the corners, and then the Ackland frame was on here. Eventually you'll take the top cap off in order to put the vinyl on. This is, again, flex face, backlit, illuminate a bolt vinyl. And so it goes on here. by the same method that we always use, which is our hands-free adhesive layer that's all the way around the perimeter. That goes in place, sides and top and bottom. Alright, so then put the cover plate back on, slide that into place, grab a screw, another one over here for now. Side. You can edit it a little bit. Of course, you want to put the rest of the screws in, and then voila, there's your Ackland Lightbox Frame Kit. Call us if you want one. We are putting the web page together, but the product is ready to go. Easy to install, easy to assemble, easy to light up, easy to afford, just plain easy and awesome. Thank you. And by the way, please like, if this video helps you, if our videos help you, and you like them, please press like or subscribe if you want to know the new things that are coming out. We really appreciate it. Just trying to get the word out and to the community to make the world a brighter place.